So the article essentially just describes how FedEx, alongside Uber, is filing this major lawsuit against this law firm, as well as many medical companies. And the whole basis of this lawsuit stems from FedEx and Uber claiming that these these companies collaborated with each other um, in order to basically submit fraudulent personal injury claims. And they were able to do these injury claims by not only falsifying medical records, exaggerating injuries, right, medical injuries, and the whole sole purpose of doing all this was literally just to increase their settlement payouts. And this wasn't one, two people. This was many individuals. So this is a big deal. This is something that's not going to be taken lightly. This is not going to just, oh, a little slap on the wrist, pay this little fine. This is a big deal. People are definitely going to go to jail. The judges already decided to proceed with the hearings. They didn't drop the case. This means that they're going to investigate. They're not going to let this go, especially when it's millions and millions of dollars on the line. This is something that they're not going to just let pass by, That pretty much sums up what the article is about in simpler terms. For what I chose tort law. I chose tort law specifically since it deals with civil wrongs in which one party causes harm to the other party, in which this allows the party that was harmed to sue for damages. And fraud is the perfect example of this. Fraud falls under this category because of the fact that it involves intentional deception that causes extreme financial harm, especially in this case, extreme financial harm, Imagine getting all these people on board to commit this fraud, multiple sorry about that, multiple individuals, and you get enough people to do this, it adds up. Lately they've been cracking down on fraud. This has become a huge problem within our country. Many people are being affected by these. Even sometimes I'll be on YouTube scrolling, I'll see reels of people causing accidents, and they'll have many people in the car, and they'll be the reason, the cause of the accident, and then they'll try to claim, oh, they hit us, and they'll have all the people, like, this is getting ridiculous. This is harming people at all levels, at the top, at the bottom, at the middle, everyone's being affected by this. So this is a great thing that this is being brought to justice. People are being held accountable for their actions. I hope that these individuals go to jail, because these type of things affect many people. I hope that this is not a situation where the law firms and these medical companies just have to pay a fine and then walk away scotch-free, a little slap on the wrist, hey, don't do it again. I hope that the book is really thrown at them. I hope that justice is really served. They serve time. Licenses are removed. Facilities are shut down. People that participate in the fraud are, held accountable. Because this is not right. This is getting out of hand. And it's just promoting degeneracy within our country, making things worse while things already are bad enough as it is. So it makes me happy that justice is being served.